My dear viewers, now discuss water based on icse class 6 in many types of true false question answer. Okay, water is one of the most common and useful substance around us. Okay, water is a tiny molecule. It consists of three atoms, two of hydrogen and one of oxygen. That is formula of water H2O. Water molecule cling to each other because of the force called hydrogen bonding. Water, a substance composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen, and existing in gaseous form, that is called steam, liquid form, that is called water, solid form, that is called ice. Straight, okay. It is one of the most plentiful and essential of compounds, are tasteless and odorless liquid at room temperature. It has the most ability to dissolve many other substances. That is why water is called universal solvent. Okay, now discuss two false type question answer. Okay. My dear viewers, now discuss write T for true and F for false. Question number 1. All the water found on earth is suitable for drinking. This statement false. Due to the sea water presence in salt, that is not suitable for drinking water. Okay. The sea phase of rainwater through the surface of the soil is called interfication. The statement true. Next question. The rate of solubility of gases increases with an increase in temperature. The statement true. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a solvent is called a saturated solution. The statement true. Next question. Introfication indicates that the water source is pollution free. This statement always false. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Water pollution can be reduced by treating the sewage before letting it off into water bodies. This statement true. Next question. Question number 7. Chemically, limestone is oxide of iron. This statement true. Next question. It is possible to obtain an isolated south pole of a magnet. This statement false. Okay. Magnetic, that is the question number 9. Magnetite is a natural magnet. This statement true. Okay. Question number 10. Magnet was discovered by Newton. Always false. Okay. Next question. Question number 11. A wooden material can be magnetized. This statement false. Okay. Always iron, nickel, cobalt material can be magnetized. Okay. Next question. Question number 12. If you break a bar magnet into two, then its piece will have two folds. This statement true. Next question, question number 13. Compass needles is made of a magnet. Always true. That is the indicate north, south, east, west. Okay. So the use magnet. Next question. Heat cannot destroy magnetic properties of a magnet. Always wrong. Heat can destroy magnetic property of a magnet. Okay. That is the statement always wrong. Next question. There is a maximum attraction in middle of a bar magnet. No, it is statement is Wrong. Always the maximum attraction in the both side of the magnet. Next question number 16. Our earth behaves as a hung magnet. The statement always true. Okay. Next question. A river is an example of a freshwater source. Always true. Next question. The water that flow into rivers, stream, sea and ocean is called run of water. This statement true. Next question number 19. Springs of source of the fresh water. This statement false. Okay. In glucose solution, glucose is the solvent. False. Glucose is the solute. Okay. This statement false. Question number 21. Rainwater is the primary source of water. This statement true. Question number 22. The ability of a substance to dissolve in a given liquid is called solubility. This statement true. Next question 23. Acetylene contains oxide of sulfur. This statement true. Question number 24. The sudden variation of temperature in water bodies that adversely affects aquatic life is called thermal shock. Okay, this statement true. That is right statement. Next question. The smaller component present in a solution is referred to as solvent. No, referred to as solute. This statement false. Water is called the universal solvent. Yes, this statement true. Next question number 27. The level below which soil is saturated with is called the water table. Okay, this statement always right. Next question 28. The rate of solubility of gases increases with an increase in pressure. False. Increase in temperature. Increase in temperature. Okay, that is the statement false. Question number 29. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at the given temperature is called a unsaturated solute. No, saturated solute. This statement false. It is saturated solute, but it is unsaturated. It is wrong. Okay. Next question. The smaller the size of the solute particles, the faster is the solubility of the solute in the solvent. Okay. This statement true. Question number 31. More than one third of the Earth's surface is covered with water. No, one third no. That is two third. Okay, two thirds of the Earth's surface is covered water. That is why one third means this statement false. Okay. Next question. Water is needed for drinking, bathing, washing our clothes, and many more function. Always true. Statement always right. Next question. About 0.01% of the total Earth's water is available for use. This statement true. Next question number 34. Guess water, where it falls, is the basic idea behind rainwater harvesting. This statement true. Region below the ground which is saturated with water is known as water table. This statement true. The water cycle is also known as hydrologic cycle. Yes, this statement true. Hydrological cycle. Okay. Next question number 37. Ice, water, gas are the three states of same material. Okay, this statement true. For the example, ice means solid, Water means liquid and gases means gas. Okay. Question number 38. Water is considered as renewable resource on the earth. This statement true. Question number 39. Water vapors get continuously added to atmosphere due to evaporation and transpiration. Okay, this statement true. The process of conversion of vapors into liquid is known as evaporation. This statement always false. It is the condensation. Okay, this is condensation. So this statement false. Question number 41. Falling of rain is also called precipitation. Yes, this statement always true. Next question, question number 42. Water drops present on grass during winter morning is called dew. Yes, water drops present on the grass during winter morning is called dew. Next question, question number 43. Ocean act as the habitat for large number of plants and animals. Yes, this statement true. Next question, lack of rain causes drought. This statement true. Next question, last question of the part. Question number 45. Ocean water is an example of surface water. This statement true. My dear viewers, any query, please comment in box. Also, to take the PDF form of the study material, also comment in box. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.